Today we're going to experiment with filters in Photoshop. Filters are a nice way to give an ordinary photo new life, flavor, color. To do that, what we're going to do is click on filter at the top, and then you're going to sort of scroll down and we see we have a number of options. When you click on the top one, artist or artistic, for example, you can click on cutout. And because this is a big image, there's a lot going on, and we can experiment with the variables on the right. We can also jump from one filter to another. So there's fresco. There's a lot going on. If I click in the lower left-hand corner, this little negative sign, we can zoom out some. And if I wanted to check out a whole nother set of filters entirely, for instance, sketch, I can click right here and it opens up a new batch. I'm going to click on graphic pen. That looks cool, and I'm going to press OK. And so what you're going to do is once you've got a filter that you like, you're going to click File, Save As, and you're going to save this as your name, filter, and then I guess this one was a sketch. The name of the specific filter, I forget what this was called, and you're going to press OK. Now what I'm going to do is press Control Z. I'm going to go back. I'm going to click Filter yet again, and I'm going to experiment with all the different filters. Let's try Extrude. No, let's not try Extrude. Let's try Filter, Texture. Try Patchwork. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to press OK. And then I'm going to save this again, and we're going to come up with lots of filters. Once you make approximately apply filters to 5 or 6 different images, what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to use the selection tool to select a specific individual, and then we're going to invert the selection. So I'm going to select the magnetic lasso, and I'll grab Kimberly right here. And you're very simply going to want to go around. Remember, and I'll zoom in so you can, actually I can't zoom in. To go back, you press delete to go back one bounding box. And for a little review, you're going to go around. And this is fine for right now. Additionally, I can see that I didn't get all of her shoulders. So we remember that we have the add to selection. When I click right here, we can add to it. And that's not tremendous. So I might want to switch selection tools to elliptical marquee. I'm going to select the elliptical, the addition, and there we go. That looks great. So now what I'm going to do is press Control M, or do image adjustments and make her complexion a little bit more vibrant. Now, crucially, I'm going to press Control Shift I, and now I'm going to go to filters. And if you press Control F, what it does is it applies the filter that you most recently used, which is pretty cool. This is pretty nifty. If you like that, you're going to save that, and then you're going to press Control Alt Z, and we're going to apply a few more filters. So let's try sketch. Let's try artistic, watercolor. This is going to take a second because it's a high-res image. And we can see a nice juxtaposition between photorealism and this watercolor. Let's try one final one. Stained glass is pretty cool. If you want to change the size of the cells, you can adjust that along with border thickness and light intensity. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to press Control Delete to deselect. Control D to deselect. I like that a lot. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to send me many examples of filters today. We're going to get really comfortable with it so you know how they work. If you have any questions, please let me know.